At Masterpiece, we believe a frame is more than wood and glass. It tells people this matters. It's a way of giving memories a home. We built a team around that idea. Craftsmen and women who know the smell of sawdust, the rhythm of the tools, the patience it takes to get every cut just right. It's not just work, it's pride and a love for the craft that we share. So when you walk through our doors, you're not just another order. Whether it's a single photo or 100 pieces for your company walls, you get the same care. Because the details matter. The story matters. Every time. We stand behind what we make. Frames that last. Sometimes longer than the people who built them. That's the kind of quality we believe in. For us, it's not about trends or cutting corners. It's about creating something honest, enduring, and worthy of holding and protecting those memories. This is Masterpiece, a team, a craft, and a promise to give memories the home they deserve.